A single vending machine once earned a college student I knew more than their part-time job, just by sitting in the right spot. That story stuck with me because it shows how small machines can quietly generate steady income while their owners go about their day. In 2025, you don't need a massive factory or a big team to start a profitable business. With the right machine, even beginners can set up a low-cost venture that pays off month after month. Stick around because the next few minutes could spark the business idea that changes your 2025. From vending units that serve coffee or fresh flowers to production machines that churn out rubber bands, bricks, or even custom laser-engraved products, these compact powerhouses can turn into reliable cash flow. Some cost less than a new laptop, others require a bigger investment, but all share one thing in common. They work hard while you focus on growing your income streams. Before starting, make sure to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. Let's begin.
This video is for educational and informational purposes only. We do not guarantee income or results. Success depends on individual effort, skills, and market conditions.
Number 1. Foam case vending machine. With a cost between $5,500 and $6,300, this vending unit lets customers design and purchase their own custom phone cases on the spot. Malls, universities, and busy public places are the best locations as foot traffic directly drives sales. Each case can be sold with a healthy margin, and even modest daily sales can push earnings to $3,000 to $6,000 per month. Owners profit by restocking designs and offering trendy styles that match popular phone models, keeping customers coming back. Number 2. Coffee vending machine. Serving fresh coffee on demand, this small vending unit is designed to accept both coins and bills, making it convenient for customers in places like schools, gyms, bus stations, or office buildings. The beauty of this machine lies in its ability to run almost on autopilot, requiring only regular refills and basic upkeep. Each cup sold brings in a solid margin, and with steady foot traffic, the earnings can build quickly. Priced at about $880, it's affordable enough for beginners, yet powerful enough to create a reliable side income. Depending on the location, owners can generate between $1,500 and $3,500 every month, with higher potential when multiple machines are placed in different high-traffic spots. Number 3. Balloon vending machine. Kids and families are always drawn to fun attractions, which makes this vending machine a clever way to earn passive income. It automatically dispenses colorful balloons in shopping malls, amusement parks, and event spaces, grabbing attention with little effort from the owner. The machine itself is easy to manage, needing restocking and light maintenance to keep it running smoothly. With a price tag of about $3,679, the investment is relatively low compared to the earning potential. Each balloon can be sold at a big markup, and steady traffic in the right location can push profits to $2,000 to $4,500 per month. Many entrepreneurs place multiple units in busy venues to grow revenue faster. Number 4. Laser engraving machine. Personalization is a growing trend, and this compact laser engraver fits right into that demand. It works on wood, acrylic, leather, and even cloth, giving business owners flexibility to create customized gifts, signs, jewelry pieces, and branded merchandise. The machine is simple to operate and requires only design files to produce professional results. At about $2,000, it's affordable compared to the wide range of products it can generate. Selling engraved items online, through local shops, or even at events can bring in $2,500 to $5,000 per month. The real benefit comes from high margins on personalized goods, making it a steady business with strong repeat customer potential. Number 5. Portable fiber laser marking machine. Customization is a profitable niche, and this portable fiber laser marking machine makes it simple to serve that market. It works on materials like stainless steel, wood, plastic, leather, and even glass, allowing entrepreneurs to create personalized jewelry, branded merchandise, and industrial tags. The setup is compact, easy to operate, and ideal for both home-based and small workshop use. Selling engraved products online or offering marking services to local businesses can quickly bring consistent clients. Monthly earnings often fall between $3,000 and $6,000, depending on order volume and pricing strategy. The real strength lies in the machine's versatility, giving owners multiple income streams from one investment. The cost of this unit is around $3,600. Number 6. Flower vending machine. Fresh flowers sell well in almost every setting, and this vending machine makes the process automatic. It is designed to store and dispense bouquets while keeping them in good condition, making it a smart option for malls, parks, airports, and even busy office complexes. Customers get the convenience of buying flowers anytime, which boosts sales without needing a shop assistant. With steady foot traffic, monthly income can range from $2,000 to $4,000, depending on location and pricing. The low maintenance requirements make it easy to manage, and owners profit by restocking regularly with popular seasonal flowers. This kind of setup is especially effective in high-traffic venues where impulse buying is common. The cost for one unit is about $3,500. Number 7. Rubber band making machine. A production line like this is a practical way to start small manufacturing with consistent demand. It produces TPU and TPR rubber bands that are used in hair accessories, toy packaging, gift wrapping, and even in grocery or vegetable packaging. The setup is reliable, user-friendly, and built for high output, which makes it suitable for beginners as well as growing businesses. Selling colorful bands in bulk to wholesalers, local shops, or online marketplaces provides multiple income streams. With steady buyers, monthly earnings can range from $4,000 to $7,000, depending on production volume and distribution channels. The low material costs add to profitability, making it a smart investment for long-term returns. This machine is priced around $8,600. Number 8. Hollow block making machine. The demand for building materials never slows, which makes a block press machine a smart investment for small business owners. It is designed to produce hollow bricks used in residential and commercial projects, converting basic raw materials like cement, sand, and fly ash into sturdy blocks. With the ability to manufacture thousands of pieces daily, owners can supply contractors, local hardware stores, or sell directly to builders. The profit margin is attractive since blocks are always needed in bulk, and monthly income can range between $6,000 and $10,000 depending on output and market reach. This machine requires little manpower, keeping operating costs low while maintaining steady productivity. For those aiming to step into the construction supply market, it delivers consistent returns. The machine is priced around $7,500. Number 9. Toilet paper making machine. At around $8,999, this fully automatic production line is designed to manufacture toilet paper rolls with minimal labor. Since toilet paper is a daily essential, demand stays steady in every market, giving this machine a strong business edge. A single unit can produce thousands of rolls each day, which can be sold directly to wholesalers, supermarkets, or even local shops. Depending on sales channels, monthly earnings can reach $5,000 to $9,000. Owners profit by keeping costs low on raw materials while maintaining consistent supply for everyday consumers. 10. Tile adhesive making machine. Supplying construction sites with ready-mix products can be highly profitable, and this compact mortar plant is perfect for that purpose. It is designed to produce dry putty mix and tile adhesive, two materials with steady demand in the building and renovation industry. Businesses can sell the finished product in bags to contractors, wholesalers, or local hardware shops. The machine's production capacity of 1 to 5 tons per hour allows for consistent supply without requiring a large team to operate. Monthly earnings often range from $5,000 to $9,000 depending on the sales network and local demand. Low running costs and high product turnover make this a practical choice for small entrepreneurs. The investment for this setup is about $7,600. Number 11. Fiber laser cutting machine with cover. Priced at about $22,100, this machine is built with a cover design and exchange platform, making it safe and efficient for continuous production. It can cut through various metals with precision, which opens up opportunities in signage, custom parts, furniture frames, and industrial components. Businesses that run cutting services can charge per project, and even small workshops can take on steady orders. With consistent contracts, monthly earnings can range from $7,000 to $12,000. Profit comes from offering cutting as a service or producing and selling finished products directly to manufacturers, builders, or local businesses needing custom metalwork. Number 12. Automatic brick block making machine. Selling at around $31,000, This machine is built to produce concrete blocks, pavers, and interlocking bricks using materials like cement and fly ash. Contractors, builders, and even local hardware shops regularly need these products, which creates a steady customer base. A small setup can manufacture thousands of bricks per day, and when sold in bulk, it can generate $10,000 to $18,000 monthly. Income comes directly from supplying construction projects or by partnering with retailers who stock building materials. Number 13. Fiber Laser Cutting Machine. This powerful cutting machine is priced around $47,500 and is designed to handle both sheet and pipe metal with high precision. Businesses using it can produce products like signage, custom parts, furniture pieces, or even decorative panels. The real advantage comes from the wide range of industries needing laser cutting services, which allows owners to charge per job. With consistent orders, monthly earnings can range from $8,000 to $15,000, depending on local demand, making it a solid option for steady returns. The truth is, some people are already cashing in on these machines, while others are just scrolling past them. If you had to start with one, which would you choose? Share your thoughts in the comments, smash the like button, and subscribe for more content like this.